What's going on, my viewers? This is Cooking with Chef Ardin. This morning we're making festivals. You guys want to know how to make festivals? This is the day. Festival. We just added 2 cups of flour. We're going to add some cornmeal, some salt, some baking powder, and some sugar. So we're making festival today. It's going down right now. As you guys could see, I just added my cornmeal to the flour. So we're gonna mix in the cornmeal with the flour. Now we're gonna add our salt to the cornmeal and flour. And now we're just gonna add our baking powder to the cornmeal and flour with also the salt that we just added previously. Now we're just gonna mix in everything. Make sure your flour and cornmeal is mixed in properly with your baking powder. Put it all in there. Mix it up, mix. For your festival, you want to add sugar also for that sweeter taste. Add some sugar. We're also going to add some vanilla extract to the festival mix. After you put in your vanilla and your salt and your baking powder, you just want to mix in the flour with the cornmeal. Now we're just gonna add some water. Now we're just kneading the dough. Just continue kneading your flour dough for about 5 to 10 minutes. After you knead your flour, you're gonna let it sit for about another 5-10 minutes and let it sit. This is the way your flour is supposed to look. Yeah, right now you just need to take out your frying pan because we're getting ready to fry the festival. So get your pan hot and then add some oil. Then we just start forming the festival from the dough. Now this is the fun part. You're going to start kneading your flour for your festival and shaping them. This is the shape that you want for your festival. Once you get your shape, you can add it into your frying pan. And that's your festival in your frying pan. Yeah, you want to fry them till they're golden brown. So those festivals look wonderful, right? Yeah, so we're going to continue frying the festivals. You want your festival to have that type of color, golden brown, nice and golden. Want your oil to be bubbling, you know? Yeah, that's real nice. So just continue. You don't want them to stick. And you don't want your festivals to burn, so you gotta always be there guiding them. Okay, your fire is so high and the oil is so hot that you gotta continue stirring and watching them, you know. So just continue watching your festival and don't make sure they burn, okay? Just pay attention to your festival. Festival with ackee and sawfish, festival with starfish, festival with mackerel, festival with callaloo. Just order your festival today. Festival with fried fish, festival with ackee and starfish, festival with mackerel, festival with callaloo, festival with fried fish, festival anything of your wish. Just order the festival today. Yeah, we just added some dumplings, fried dumplings to the mix also. We're gonna do about 8 dumplings, you know. So these are the festival. Festival look awesome. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share. Yeah, this is the last batch of the fried dumpling. We got the festival here. And if you're wondering what we're gonna eat the festival and fried dumpling with this morning, it's gonna be our ackee. So we have a next video on how to make ackee. You can watch that video. You know, if you want to learn how to prepare ackee Chef Ardin style, this is our ackee here. We're gonna eat it with our festival. So subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, Thanks for watching. See you next time.